I love your pretty smile. I love your 20 style. I love to be able to see that you are glamorous from a mile. I love you in my car, that one night under the stars. I spend all of my time watching your green light from afar. Cause I love to show you my shirt. I love how you're a flirt. Be my love now that I'm not poor as dirt. Baby, please turn me and become Daisy Gatsby. But the thing I love the most is running over Myrtle. Instant death.
Love, my handsome LG. Listen, it goes like this.
Cause I love your sweaty face. I love your messy place. I love to be able to see you under TJ's eyes and face. I love your curvy hips and to kiss your big red lips. If I were drinking champagne, I would let you have a sip. I love to buy you dogs and visit you in the fog. That night when you were hit, my mind was in a fog. I love that you are poor, the way you are a whore. But the thing I love the most is punching you in the face, broken nose.